God bless you, my lovies. Here I am with that good southern cooking again. This is some yummy, finger-licking good southern barbecue chicken. Over here you have your squash dressing, all kinds of herbs and spices. You would love to have a spoonful of this. Makes a wonderful, wonderful side for this time of the year. Over here we have some purple turnips. Well, we call them rutabagas in the south, but in the north you all call them purple turnips, but they're good either way, either name. Here's a southern treat. This is wonderful, wonderful corn, cream sour corn with fresh okra out of the garden. I tell you, it's to die for. In this pot, still simmering away, are some steamed cabbage. Can't see them for the steam, but if you could see them, you would love them. My goodness. Over here, warming up is some leftover pie. I can hardly wait to dig into that myself. I just wish you were here, but in the meantime, the storm is on the way. Wherever you are, please stay safe. Make sure you have all your supplies in. Please turn around. Don't drown. Don't go out, and if you're told to evacuate, do that also, because I want to see you living. I want to see you lively. God bless you. Take one final little peek. That's good right there, right by itself. The cabbage, they're simmering. Oh my God. Squash dressing. If you haven't had it, please try it. Now please mosey on over. Hit that subscribe and notification button so you can join me when I'm doing things the way Big Mama and Grandmama like for us to do it. God bless you. I love you with all that's within me. Please follow, share my videos as well. We'll get back with you shortly. God bless.